This is WCVB News Center 5.
Hi, everybody. Harvey Leonard here. I want to update you on what's been happening. Some really intense snow bands have come through and produced, in some places, 5.5 inches of snow in just 2 hours. That's put Natick up to 8.5 inches, Wilmington at 7.5, Millis at least at 6, Pepperell about 5 at least, and Berlin has 8 inches of snow right now. At this particular time, it is now sleeting from Boston to Needham. So we know that the mix line is running pretty close to Boston and around or just below the Mass Pike. But there's still some bands of heavy snow off to the northwest and north that can linger a little bit longer before that whole area starts to really actively shift north, as you can see. And there'll still be some heavy rain as we go to the evening commute in Boston once that transition from snow to sleet is complete and rain is next. Also notice this is a mix band where the snow may actually transition to some freezing rain across Worcester County and perhaps up in the Merrimack Valley after they continue to get the burst of snow that's going through now. And then we'll have some lighter mix over the interior with lighter rain along the coast as we go through a part of the night. Very late tonight, western and central New England will have some backlash, and it's possible Boston may have just a touch of snow toward dawn tomorrow before that lifts out and then moves away. So that's what we're dealing with in terms of the current situation. Just wanted to point out the temperatures to you. We've got 40s here on the Cape, but it's cold just to the north and west.